So one of the last things that I'm doing with the garage, as far as finishing it, on the outside at least, is the walkway from the house to the garage. It's another one of those things where the contractor was really ambiguous about it and it just didn't happen. So this was my first newbie mistake with the GoPro audio. There'll be more, but I'm explaining why I need the sidewalk, how big it's going to be, and kind of what my plan is.
1, 2, 3, 4.
So the reason I'm busting my hump and trying to get this done all in one weekend is because my neighbor there in the garage to the left needs an apron driveway poured, and he doesn't have quite enough requirement for an entire truckload. So neither do I. So we're going to go in together, and he's going to get enough concrete for his drive, and I'm going to get enough concrete for my sidewalk, and we get to split the delivery fee. So it's win-win-win. I calculated it out, and it looks like 1.14 yards of dirt that I pulled out wheelbarrow by wheelbarrow, shovel by shovel. Winter is coming, so we multitask and clean and prep the hot tub for the fall while I was pouring the sidewalk and getting everything ready. And this is newbie mistake number 2. I'm explaining why I'm putting the mesh on the bottom instead of the top with the rebar. In short, it's because I'm using a 2x4 for the form board instead of like a 2x6, and so I just need the steel in the middle of the concrete. So anything worth doing is worth overdoing. Now, there are bridges in this world that have less steel in them than this sidewalk, but that's how I do things. I had some furry helpers during the job, overseers as it were, but they remained civil with each other.
And so 5 weeks later, this is kind of the state of the things with the sidewalk walkway project for the garage. Yeah, my neighbor put off his concrete work and put it off and put it off, and now it looks like I get to do it myself, and I have.
So as I was getting the tools ready the night before the pour, I realized I couldn't find a wooden derby. I don't even know if I've ever actually owned one. So what is a man with a giant wood shop to do? He's going to build his own derby. I somehow succeeded during this sidewalk build in using my table saw, the bandsaw, and my lathe.
sidewalk's in, done. Finally. I was super happy last night about 5:30 when I walked inside with it. About 9 when I came back out to check on it, I wasn't quite as happy. But in the grand scheme of things, sidewalk's in.